This video captures a powerful protest from a family fighting for life-saving medical treatment. After being denied proper care for years, they refuse to leave their spot until the state of California meets their demands. Tensions rise as city officials and police show up, urging them to move. But the family stands united, insisting their right to health and safety must come first, even if it means facing arrest.
LAPD is going to try and make us move. After the city has kept us held hostage for years, refusing to send us to Phoenix, where we need to go to get medical treatment that the state of California refuses to provide. So as long as the state of California refuses to provide us what we need, we will not comply with the city until we get our demands met for our own health and our own safety, so that we don't die on the street like thousands of others have. I refuse to let my husband die of skin cancer. The state of California is gonna send my husband to Phoenix, come hell or high water, with myself, my husband, our dogs, and all our belongings. They have no choices in the matter. They refuse to honor their own laws and statutes. They refuse to honor any other state statutes regarding people with medical conditions. California Code Regulations Title 22, Section 87701.3 says, in any instance where a department, in this case California, does not suspend the facility license of the department, requires that the resident be relocated. That the resident be relocated because the resident has a health condition which cannot be cared for within the limits of the license. California has already refused to grant my husband life-saving medical care. Until we are met with our demands for life-saving medical care, we will not move. We are clean. We keep our area nice and tidy. We don't bother anybody else, and we mind our own business. We are security for this business across the street from us.
This one yours?
Yes,
Okay.
it's my son. Yes, you do.
No.
Please.
You don't have permission to stay here. You gotta
She has my permission.
No, fine.
Yes, she does.
Sorry,
You gotta go.
Gutierrez.
She'll be put in handcuffs.
Why?
Why? Because I asked her to stay?
Because I need you to go.
Why?
Why?
Because the street's closed.
We're not separating.
You already want to separate my family?
No, I don't want to.
Yes, you do.
The mayor's office is going to come talk to you. They're going to talk to you alone.
Then no more of this out of this bullshit.
I'll be right.
Yesterday.
Yes, you did.
And now look, not us.
Okay, well, they're
So
going to
you
come.
keep this moving.
They're going to come.
The plant was there. You would still let it be. No, don't even give me your eyes, dude.
Today.
All right, you guys keep going.
I'm getting sick
You
of
can
it.
stay for
Bullshit.
now until the mayor's office comes to talk to you. They got to go.
It's up to you, Carla. I want you to stay.
No, we're not leaving. This is our family. That's
It's not
it.
up for debate. You guys got to start walking.
Yes, it isn't up for debate.
Yeah,
I said she can stay.
No.
That means she can stay. Yes, they can all stay.
Yes.
Yes, we're not playing games with you guys anymore. Yes, the city of Los Angeles has been playing with us for the past 4 years.
Well,
Longer if you want to include Section
you want
8
the
playing
mayor's
games.
office to come talk to you?
Yes, I do.
Okay, well then they have to go
Why?
so they can talk to you.
Why?
Why can't we all talk?
No, we're done talking. Let's go. Start moving.
I don't want you to get arrested. Just because you guys hide behind your badges doesn't mean anything.
Nobody's hiding behind anything.
You guys throw your weight around like it's the thing to do. Yet when people make small infractions in front of any of you, not you, others have.
Thank you. At least
Every
give
time
me
I bring
that.
up your name, they all get
I've
scared.
never had a problem with you, Officer Gutierrez. Never.
Okay, well then can you do me a favor? You gotta trust me. I'm trying to help you. I'm on your side.
Come on, guys.
Are they going to be allowed to stay?
They want us to go because they're not going to allow you to stay. They're going to destroy
The
your
mayor's
stuff
office
like they
wants to
destroyed
talk to
everybody's
you
stuff.
and your family one-on-one with no interference.
They are family.
They want.
Where was the mayor's office?
I can't tell you.
I can tell you where this lady was. She was right here with us, checking to make sure that we were all safe
I remember that day.
on the entire street.
I was here.
You
No.
were overseeing it like
I
you
was
see
not
all the
overseeing
violence.
anything. I was actually here trying to tell them who you were, but I don't control that stuff. As much as you think I control all this stuff, I don't. I don't.
Yes, you're a good soldier and follow orders.
So-
That's why I can't be a soldier, because I don't blindly follow orders. If it's wrong, regardless, and this is morally wrong.
That may be the case.
Yeah, and I'm not the one who has to deal with it when I die. When I die, I have a clean conscience. I know I'm going to heaven. How about you guys? Daniel, you know you're going to heaven? No, you
So
don't.
this conversation is going off.
No, it isn't. It isn't.
So,
It's the
You
direction.
guys start walking.
You guys are doing something that you know is morally wrong, whether it's legally wrong or not. That's the point. You're morally wrong.
Every time you force this family to move, there's been a medical need.
I haven't forced time to move anywhere.
Okay, well then
Every time they bombard us, the city bombards us, causes a medical emergency. Why? When you guys don't have to be here in the first place? Do you see a mess? Do you see a place? Do you smell nastiness?
It's the city.
The city, they know nothing about sanitation. Because you know what? I'm the only one on this street that can legally go into a courtroom and use that word.
Do you want to talk to this mayor's office or not?
Yes, I do.
Okay, well then everybody else needs. We're only going to ask so many times.
Why do they have to move? You haven't given a good enough reason.
The street is closed.
And the point?
The street is closed.
We can sit right here on our patio. Because as you know, last time you were here, Officer Gutierrez, I claimed this unused sidewalk and land for myself, my husband, my dogs, my son, my ancestors, and the native Tonga tribe that was kicked off this land in the first place. From that light pole to that tree right there, I claimed for myself. Now to get us to move, you're going to have to take us to court because it is on camera now. It's official. I now have claimed this land and this property, unused property, not an ADA sidewalk, for myself and my family to use until such time as the city can get off their ass and do their jobs properly without harming other people. Because I'll be damned if we're going to separate and my kid have a seizure and I can't get to him. I'm going to beat some
Or he
people.
goes off on somebody.
Let me tell you something. You think my husband's the one you need to worry about? I'm the one that needs to be worried. I'm the one who's dangerous. Because I'm the one who knows the law regarding my situation. Because I guarantee you none of you have ever looked it up. Do you know what your own state regulations say you can and cannot do? No, you don't. Because police officers only know what they're told. Yes, I know Sarge said it was our address. I do want the mayor's office down here. I'm not going to do this alone.
I told you that.
I'll be right here with them.
Yeah, on their side. Who's on our
He's
side?
a mediator. He's been a mediator for us this whole time. We can stay right over here, or we can go across the street. But I'm not gonna leave my son and everything unattended. And Carla and Paisley are okay in the tent. The only other that I will go across the street and speak. My husband and I will go across the street. We're not gonna. No, you guys aren't gonna dictate to me who can be around and who can't.
I want to know what's going to happen when we go to this tiny home, and fucking 2 or 3 days later, I'm right back out here. What? No,
No, it isn't a
By
choice.
them.
It's never been a choice.
By them kicking us out over our dogs or something.
Yes, they
did
will.
Down here, they kept saying they weren't. We stayed there 6 weeks. Yes.
Do you know the rules in shelter? Do you know the rules in tiny homes? Do you know the rules and all that shit?
We stayed there for 6 weeks, and then she kicked us out
Give a shit
for over marijuana.
Excuse you. That's a woman ticket to hell if you don't mind
Go to a
it.
tiny home. We're gonna rub somebody wrong. We're gonna be arguing. Somebody's gonna get pissed.
We always rub somebody the wrong
Tommy
way.
will go off on
How
somebody.
many times do you have to victimize us?
We haven't just that once over.
Do you realize my husband and I have been married for 31 years? And of those 31 years, we have spent probably 10 in a place of our own. At the most 10. You know why? Because people don't like us. We can't rent an apartment. We can't live in a motel because they don't like us. No one. Why do you want to be where people don't want you around? They kick us out over everything. My husband loses a job. Oh, he doesn't work anymore. Even if he gets another job a week later. Still, not good enough. We can never measure up to anybody.
Everybody was.
And I'm not playing this anymore.
Is the only one that could help us.
Yes.
LA Family Housing is the only one.
It has
Get
to be a family.
referral to us for LA Family Housing. I know you
Officer.
police officers can do it.
Hold on.
I've seen it done before.
There is a shelter in Pasadena that accepts families with dogs and children up to 25 years old. But do you think any of these assholes? No, they're not. I've known about this place since 2020.
I'll go to the. I said I'll go to the. tiny
Lassa
home,
keeps
but I
telling
won't
me,
guarantee
well,
that I
tell
won't
me
get
what
out.
you know and we'll get contact. They do nothing. Do you understand that? The city wants to just pass us around until they can get all the money they can out of us and then you can die where you stand. Yes, that is true. We are being held hostage.
Think about it this way. The city does what you want and puts you in Pasadena.
Yes.
How's that going to look on the city of LA?
I don't give a shit how it looks in the city of LA.
No, I know, but I'm just saying.
I really
They're going to say, oh, the city's shipping homeless to Pasadena. You think Pasadena's going to be happy about that?
Why are we?
I need a referral.
I'm just saying.
Listen to me. I need a referral.
Yes.
All Lassa has to do is send a referral, but they will not do
It doesn't
it.
matter what people think. People
I
need
know.
housing, then people need housing.
Lassa doesn't do their job. LA Family Housing barely does their
Where the
job.
help are they getting?
Hope of the Valley doesn't do their job. Like I said, where were they during every emergency, during every winter? Where have they been? Not here. They haven't been here, that's for damn sure. Exactly, that's my point. When everything got locked down because of COVID, where was the health department? They sure teaching people how to be sanitary, about how people were getting along,
George didn't care about it.
keeping themselves healthy and clean. Los Angeles doesn't care about me or even you. They don't. If you were to get injured, and God forbid they wouldn't help you out, do you realize you'd be in our situation? And they wouldn't care. The mayor,
I'm not saying
I am not moving until I get what I need. I'm
Mayor's
tired
office
of
wants to talk to
fighting.
you, but you alone. That's it.
Across the street, Tyler Tech. Right in front of their Ring doorbell where we can be seen. They have a Ring doorbell over there. And Miss Liz Ziegler has been very kind to us. She says we're the best neighbors she's ever had.
In the end, the family does not back down. They formally claim the space they live in as their own until the city provides real help. The mother makes it clear that her husband's life is at stake and that moving without medical care could be deadly. Neighbors support the family, calling them good members of the community. The video ends with a reminder that sometimes standing your ground is the only way to be heard. What do you think about this story? Share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real stories that matter.